Hello, I'm Leslie and welcome to another video. Today we're getting into one of the lesser known but highly effective agile methodologies, Crystal. Whether you're a project manager looking to enhance your agile toolkit or a team member eager to better understand the process your team uses, this guide will walk you through the ins and outs of Crystal methods in project management. Before we delve into Crystal, let's quickly recap what Agile is. Agile is a project management methodology that prioritizes flexibility, team input, and customer satisfaction through iterative processes and continuous improvement. Unlike traditional methods like waterfall, Agile encourages adaptive planning, evolutionary development, and quick responses to change. The Crystal family of methodologies employs a unique approach to categorize its various methods by using color codes. These colors reflect the size and criticality of the project, offering a tailored agile methodology that suits the project's specific requirements. The central tenet of Crystal is that the smaller the team and the less critical the project, the lighter or more agile the methodology can be. Starting with Crystal Clear, which is intended for small teams of up to 8 people working on non-critical projects, the emphasis is on osmotic communication facilitated by their close proximity. It's the lightest and most adaptable in the Crystal family. Crystal Yellow and Crystal Orange fall in the middle of the spectrum and are designed for slightly larger teams. Crystal Yellow is suitable for teams of up to 20 people, while Crystal Orange can scale up to 40-50 people. These variants begin to introduce more structured practices and documentation as the team size increases and the projects become more complex. Crystal Red, at the heavier end of the spectrum, is used for large projects with high criticality that involve 50 to 100 people. This methodology demands more formal processes, documentation, and roles given the scale of the project and the potential consequences of failure. Other colors, including Crystal Maroon and Crystal Diamond, cover even larger or more critical systems, including life-critical software development. Each color variant of Crystal adopts the core agile values of individuals and interactions, working software, customer collaboration, and responding to change while adjusting the amount of process and ceremony needed to meet the project's risk level and team member capacities effectively. Core properties of Crystal. Crystal methods emphasize several properties. Frequent delivery, deliver working versions of the product regularly to get real-time user feedback and ensure that the product meets the customer's needs. Reflective improvement. Teams should regularly reflect on their performance and seek ways to improve. Osmotic communication. Ideally, team members should be co-located to enhance communication. Information should flow seamlessly within the team. Personal safety. Team members should feel safe to express their ideas and concerns without fear of criticism. Crystal's unique features. Flexibility in practices. Unlike other agile methodologies, Crystal doesn't prescribe a fixed set of practices. Instead, it allows teams to choose practices that best fit their project. Focus on people. Crystal emphasizes that the skills and talents of people involved are more crucial than the processes and tools. Tailored to projects. Depending on project size, criticality, and priorities, teams choose a variant of Crystal that best suits their needs. How to implement Crystal in your projects. Assess project needs. Determine the criticality of your project and the size of your team. This will guide you on which Crystal family member to adopt, like clear, yellow, orange or red. Define roles and responsibilities. Use tools that promote seamless communication. Iterative delivery. Plan for short delivery cycles to produce working software frequently and incorporate user feedback swiftly. Facilitate reflective workshops. Regularly schedule reflective sessions where the team can discuss what's working and what isn't, and adapt accordingly. Crystal is a flexible, people-focused approach to agile project management. It acknowledges the importance of team dynamics and individual contributions, making it particularly effective for projects where team interaction is crucial. By understanding and implementing Crystal in your projects, you can enhance team collaboration and project adaptability, leading to successful outcomes. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave your comments below.